Hello, good day, and assalamu alaikum. This is Tuwas Maimuna. I am with Princess Eliza, and our topic is eccentric impact. So let us know first what is the force of impact. So the force of impact is when two free-moving rigid bodies collide, the force of the impact is directed perpendicular to the plane of impact when friction is neglected. The line of impact is perpendicular to the plane of impact as shown in the diagram. So here is the impact plane, line, and point diagram. The next thing that we must know is about the coefficient of restitution. So like particle impact, the coefficient of restitution is defined by the relative velocities of the impact point for the two bodies. So we have here E is equals to V2px minus V1px all over V1px minus V2px. So just remember that it is important to note that these velocities are for point P and the line of impact and not the center of gravity or CJ velocities. Also, this is a general simplification of real rigid body impact and does not include any frictional effects which can be considerable. The velocity of the impact point can be related to the CG velocity and its angular velocity through the relative velocity relationship. So we have here the equation for the coefficient restitution. So this is the diagram of coefficient of restitution, which we have formula of after impact. So the first diagram is before the impact, and now this is the after impact of two bodies. Next is the conservation of angular momentum. So for two freely moving objects, angular momentum of each object is conserved about the impact point P. This is not hard to realize since all forces due to impact act at P and does not generate any angular impulse. So in equation form, this is what look likes. So since there are two objects, there will be two equations. Again, this is only if there are no applied moments about the point of impact and there is no fixed point. So this can be expanded if RCG over P is the position vector of the center of mass relative to the impact point. So then the equation expands to, or it looks like this equation. Again, this scalar equation is valid for both objects since neither is pinned. This will give two equations, one for each object. That's all my part, and for the further discussion, please watch the video of Princess Eliza discussing her part. Thank you very much for watching, and once again, this is Tuwas Maimuna.